Fáilte go Cultúrlann McAdam Ó Fiaich, the cultural jewel in the crown of Belfast Gaeltacht Quarter. Cultúrlann is an Irish language and arts centre with the best of Irish music, dance, theatre, literature, classes and entertainment, all topped with a warm welcome to all our guests. Here you will find top-class art exhibitions, a multi-purpose performance space, a tourist information point, interactive digital learning and a rooftop garden. We are also home to a busy cafe and a specialist book and gift shop. Cultúrlann's doors are open to all 7 days a week. Visit cultúrlann.ie or call 028 90 964 180 to see how we can make your visit to Cultúrlann extra special.